Hello and welcome to Bell CB. Today we're looking at the Galaxy DX-94HP. This is for Lee in Louisiana, and this is a tune-up report. Right here, Lee, on this watt meter, we're looking at 30 watts across the bottom here, 10, 20, 30. Got the power turned all the way up for about 25 watts dead key. And if I turn the variable power down, you see it comes down nicely all the way to 3. And we put it on a 10 watt scale now, we're going to be right in there. Right at 3 watts, okay. Now turn the power back out. Now over here we have a 100 watt slug. Across the bottom, 40, 60, 80, 100. You stand far away, don't have feedback.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And we're using today was his D104 M6B microphone. It is not mine. And let's check out sideband, upper sideband.
Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio.
Okay. And let's take it, put it on the air. There's a mess out there today. Probably won't get anybody.
Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check, come out. I appreciate it, driver. I'm down here off of Commercial Boulevard, Roger. Okay, we're on the Sample Road.
621 over here in Phoenix, Arizona. 621.
Hey, 621. 621, you got a copy on 642 in Fort Lauderdale. Hey, 621, 621, you got a copy on Screwdriver in Fort Lauderdale. How about that 621 in Phoenix? How about that 621, you got a copy on Fort Lauderdale break? Are you looking for a boyfriend? Now you just sit on the side now and wait. There's grown-ups talking. How about a channel 34? Break, 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 break. I just wanted to say hello across town with my Galaxy 94HP and my D104 handheld microphone. Roger. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm back out.
Sounding good, you're sounding good.
Thank you, thank you. I like that recording across town. You don't have to wait for a response. Just get a recording and stick it on the end. Alright, that's all we got today. Thank you very much.
How about a channel 34? Break, 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 break. I just
just wanted to say hello across town, my Galaxy 94 HP and my D104 handheld microphone. Roger. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm back out.
Sounding good. You're sounding good.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, Screwdriver, it's Mini Bud.